Greetings everyone, I'm Dusan Brown, aka Dusseldorf the Viking. Today on the DreamWorks download, I've got something incredible for you. An exclusive first look at a deleted scene from How to Train Your Dragon 2. In the movie, Hiccup teaches Eret that dragons and humans can be friends after all. This lost scene takes place just after the two meet.
I can change yours, right here, right now. May I?
Well, seeing as Drago won't care if I deliver you dead or alive, I'll give you as long as it takes to remove that noisy, oversized head of yours. How's that?
Fair enough. Is my head really oversized?
Your hair is.
Hilarious. So you trap dragons and ship them north to Drago?
Except when they're stolen by you!
Right! My good friend, the dragon thief, and his ice-spitting buddy.
The days of rescuing dragons are over. Drago has found the Ice Spitter's key! Soon, all of your dragons will be claimed for his army.
Ah, the dragon army. How exactly did he pull that off? I mean, dragons aren't really the easiest to train.
Even dragons know better than to cross Drago Bloodfist. Is this part of changing my mind?
That part's coming. Groper!
Come now! Drago's about to take over the world! You're either with him or against him! And the way I see it, against is a losing proposition. Any last words to change my mind?
No, just this.
You idiot! Make it stop! Make it stop! Someone make it stop!
Hold on!
So what? You didn't do anything. Your dragon did it all.
Exactly. Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do for you.
Oh, they've done enough for us already.
Who's the
Right,
good
lads?
boy, huh? Who saved the big old grumpy loudmouth from splattering on the rocks, huh? Who saved him? That was you. You saved him.
Dragon Riders!
Whoa, that deleted scene was intense. Yeah, good boy, you like that too? Nice. Want more of How to Train Your Dragon 2? Good news, you can get the digital download on October 21st. I can't wait, neither can Toothless. Plus the DVD and Blu-ray is going to be in stores on November 11th. See ya!